Hey guys, not your typical episode here, but I was hanging out and we were driving to go drop off some equipment and some parts, and I wanted to take a second just to talk to you. Something was just on my mind. I was thinking, I bet my viewers might be interested in this. We're a mower shop. We're in Central Florida, the grass capital of the United States. I mean, we got sunshine all year long. It rains almost every day. Not right now, it's been dry this month, but in the summer, it literally rains for like an hour and a half every single day and sunshine every single day. It was like grass crazy. But what do you think of when you think of like the perfect landscaping place? And the only thing that comes to mind to me is has created a magical wonderland of landscaping, horticulture. I mean, they have enormous departments of plant specialists, turf specialists, landscape crews. They mow every night. They have the most immaculate grounds. And right now during this time, and it's kind of weird, they have like a lot of people who aren't working. They're not necessarily maintaining it at the same degree because of what's going on just in worldwide right now. But in general, has the most beautiful landscaping, I think, in the world. You go to Kingdom, lush gardens. I mean, it's just beautiful. And I think that's what makes it so special. Is like it feels like you're really being transported to somewhere you've never been before. And people don't often think about how that's all maintained. And that's something kind of cool that we have a relationship with. We work with a lot. We love and they are a fantastic customer of ours. And the products we use are steel and Toro. So when you think of the most prestigious grass in the world, it's cut with Toro. The most prestigious hedges and the most beautiful gardens and topiaries is trimmed with steel. So that's pretty neat. Those are both products we carry at MainStreetMower. And if you're trying to think of, if there's a debate, what's the best product? What works the best? What cuts the best? I mean, there's lots of things that make tall grass short grass. There's lots of hedge trimmers that cut hedges. There's a reason he picks these two brands, and it's because they're fantastic. They're just the highest, most premium quality. He doesn't pick them because they're cheap and they need a ton of them. They get a good deal. They pick them because they are the best. Because they have a crazy budget. They can buy whatever they want. They buy the best stuff they can get. So that's just kind of what Toro does, and I associate the two in my mind a little bit. But it's just interesting that they got crazy stuff going on here. They have their own fire department. They have their own police department. They have their own sewage. They have their own garbage. They have a place where they take all the waste, even human waste, and they make their own compost. He's crazy, y'all. They make this stuff they call dirt, and it's literally made out of our poop and all the food and stuff like that. And it's their own dirt. They have a mountain of it somewhere, and they use that in all the flower beds. And they say you could plant a pebble in that dirt and something will grow. A rock tree will grow. I mean, it is the most incredible dirt you've ever seen, because they have just engineers working on every single aspect of this place, and it is just absolutely incredible. I love it's just amazing. I don't even know if this video is ever gonna get made, because this is kind of some top secret backdoor stuff. But if it is, let it be known that I love and they are a fantastic company and do a great job. And I think they're good for Orlando.